yours, it's your dad. It's yours, isn't it? No, eh? How would you do buy this, wouldn't it? Your wife bought it a Christmas present. Did you know what she was doing? Well, you come to the shows on your own, do you? Or do you bring your wife with you? Oh, right. So she comes with you, and I suppose, did she do the stitching on the feet, or that was your life there? Fortunate, right? And the PTO, so the PTO is something not many of the others have got, that I can see today or yesterday. PTO, they used to put like the special box at the very back, was at one end of the flex, and then they put a string down to this straight, and this what would take over from steam.
This is those tires.
You have the steam engines doing the same thing, and then the tractors with the pulley on the side, and they would do all sorts of different things like straw benches, whatever. But again, valuable part of the industry many moons ago. 1957. Very right. Do you sort it yourself? Did the wash out? Did the wash out? I suppose it's what it is, yeah. And how the, oh right, so he was on the old internet buying the little pieces. Right, so that's good. So it's your effort. A team effort, that's what I like to hear. Like, a team effort, it means that you're both dedicated to a cause. Right. These two rubber bands came in yesterday. This is a different band, WG Lane from Lance World, near Abergavenny, in Monmouthshire. Local tractor, local owned. Yeah. Children. Right, so this is
A Leyland truck. I can blur that out. Bedford truck with a soft canopy. Pretty sweet. Got a Comer with a hard box canopy. Pretty awesome. A trailer. Land Rover. Pretty sweet. Got a truck.
A bit more power, so and a dislock. Right, a dislock on the back with more power.
This has got the crane on the back.
So we can see it all in front. Right at the trailer. You need to know yourself, yeah? So what do you put in it? Not the rest of the family, you don't know. Oh, okay then. Right. So you're not married,
A Jeep.
oh, right.
Another Jeep.
Right, so
Another trailer. Truck of some sort.
there we go.
And an auxiliary fire service truck.
Right, okay, yeah. Right.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Look at the hose.